CapU Student Life. My name is Divya and I'm an RA, and welcome to my dorm room. One of the perks of being an RA is that you get to live alone. I have a bunk bed, which is fun, and I have 2 closets, so that's double the space. If you walk this way, I have my bunk bed, my fairy lights, and a coloring book. I usually just sleep on the lower bunk. I feel like if I would sleep up there and wake up for my 8:30 class, I would fall from the ladder. Here is my handy dandy fridge. I also have my book collection. That's my secondary snack side, usually where I keep my soup, my Nutella, my hot chocolate and my tea, and spices. And that's my board games. I just play it with my friends. Sometimes I do end up using it for events. This is my primary study space where I would sit, finish my assignments, sometimes just watch something on my laptop and eat dinner. I have my plates, my cups, snacks in that drawer over there, miscellaneous items over there. To make it look a bit pretty, I have my wall collage. My aesthetic keeps changing on my mood. It's either very beige, neutral beige, classy, or it's fun and boho and green. This is my cup collection. My 2 favorite ones for now. This Bridgerton mug and my Taylor Swift mug, because Taylor Swift. Oh, my soup mug. Sorry. I always have to talk about my soup mug. My favorite thing ever. I drink a lot of soup. Pop the can open, dump it here, put it in the microwave. Mighty, mighty soup cup. So I have another kind of sofa over here that if my friends can come, they can just come and hang out over here. My sentimental thing in my room is this pillow that my mom gifted me, and it actually says, just a girl who reads books, and then somewhere over here it says B, which is me, so this girl is supposed to be me. This is something that I hug when I'm sitting over here, or just use it for like anything, but it's always there. I've been an RA for 6 months now. It's pretty fun. It makes me go out of my comfort zone. It makes me get to know more people through events, which I absolutely love doing. The main job of an RA is to be on call, check on people, see how they're doing, if they're anywhere in the common areas, just talk to them. My fondest memory of being an RA was I was doing a check-in with one of my residents. They ended up telling me that I feel like an elder sister to them, that they could just come and talk to me about anything, and I was like, that just warms my heart. That's why I want to be an RA. Thank you for coming around CapU Student Life. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you around at Res. Thank you.